I recently purchased the Western Digital SN750 NVMe M.2 SSD drive, and I've been noticing I'm not getting the specs, the read and write numbers that are on the box. And I'm wondering, from what I've been reading, if it's been getting too hot and it's throttling back the performance. So I took a look, and they make it in two different versions. They make it without a heatsink, like you see here. The 1 terabyte is about $135, or you can get it with a heatsink for about $155 right now on Amazon. So I bought it without the heatsink. However, on Amazon I was able to find you can buy an aftermarket heatsink. I bought one of the cheapest ones I could find. I don't even know if it has a brand. It just says 2-pack M.2 NVMe silicone thermal pad. So I'm going to install this today, and I took a few readings before I pulled the drive out, and I'm going to take a few after, and I'll share those with you. So this is what it came with. I opened it up. It's actually kind of a nice little plastic case. It has a warranty. These are rubber bands that you use to secure it to the drive. Came with these cleaning wipes, 2 sets. And then here is the heat sinks. Okay, so I have the first one out. Very small. Might be just enough to get the job done. So I'll use the wipes. I don't think I really need them, but I'll go ahead and use them. Here's the first one. Second one. Okay. Take this. Put that there. Okay. Peel the other side off. And then I'm going to take heatsink, and I'm just going to drop it right on. Yeah. Just a hair. Okay. Drop this right here. Okay. So now I have the heatsink installed. I know it's hard to see because it's black. Rubber bands, check these out. They gave me 6. I heard that they can degrade over time. I guess we'll have to see, but I'll just pop these on real quick. One. I'm glad that I got the one that had the black rubber bands. I know they had a few other colors that I think would have looked silly with this drive. That's good. I think that'll hold it in place. So it's installed. I'm gonna go get some numbers and I will share them with you in just a little bit. Thank you.